चाहत is a story of one very glamorous already जो एक pop icon है जिसका रोल जैसे मडोना सब लोग बोल रहे हैं. It's Manisha Koirala is playing that role, and I play the role of a upcoming pop star who reaches a very good height. And well, that's not true at all. इसमें बिल्कुल कोई सच्चाई नहीं है. I have not modeled my character on Britney Spears. What I'm a player Indian pop star. She's very glamorous and she's very. Britney Spears has done too many times. This is something better than Britney Spears. Like I was telling you, the Kani is about one glamorous pop star and how another girl comes and becomes a very glamorous pop star, and how the changes that brings in this one's life and how she's affected because she's not so popular anymore, and how everything gets taken away by her and how it affects her, and how becoming glamorous and becoming so popular affects this girl. So, well, Aryan plays the director of this very big music company for which Manisha is already a singer, and how they sign me, who's a new singer, and the problems that creates. You have to see the film. Yes, both of us are romantically paired opposite him. No, I would not call it a love triangle. It's not a love triangle. It's Chhahat can mean anything. It's about Chhahat is maybe an obsession for your work, for your career, or an obsession for a particular human being. So you have to see the film to know what the obsession, who has an obsession for what. Yeah. I don't expect this to do pretty well. I expect Chhahat to do very, very well. It's turned out much better than what I've expected. It's been shot beautifully. It's technically done very well, and we have beautiful scenes. We have glamour in the film. We have sweet love. We have raunchy songs. So we have everything, all the ingredients. So I do expect a lot from him. Well, everybody keeps asking me that, but I would like to say that I'm an actress. I will play different roles. Why is it so shocking for everybody to see that? Okay, it's just that the kind of roles that have been offered have usually been softer roles, and this role that was offered was of a very glamorous role, so I lapped it up. It's great because I get to play somebody I haven't played before. I don't know what you can call bold in today's day and age. If you can call a screen kiss bold, then yes, the film is bold. But otherwise, there's nothing shocking in the film. It's very sweetly done. It's a sweet love story. And besides, the film is not about sex. The film is not about a prostitute, or the film is not about an adulterous wife. The film is about love and the changes and it has on people. So how can it be vulgar? Love is a sweet emotion. Yeah. This girl is also very innocent. She's new to the world of, glamour, and she's thrown into it. And this is also an innocent role. It's. See, I am like that in real life. At home, I don't wear a salwar kurta or a sari and sit at home. I wear my shorts and my t-shirts, and when I go out in the night, I do wear a glamorous. What do you mean by glamorous? I wear a top and jeans. So it's the way I'm dressed in the film. It's nothing different. Chhahat as right now is on my mind because it's to me it means it's going to be something new for me, and it's going to be something new for the audience, for my audience and for my fans. So I think it's something very exciting for me. Today I'm shooting my first music video in the film. I've just signed my contract with this big music company of which Aryan is the head, and he's shooting this music video for me. Yeah.